Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing a sponsored hair review. This video is sponsored. I'm gonna put that out there, but I will be giving my honest review on what I think about this hair. I have actually not seen it yet, so it'll be my first look, first experience, first everything with this hair. So the company that sent me this hair is on Amazon and they're called Cecinill. I'm not sure how they pronounce it, but I'll put it somewhere here on the screen. And it's an afro kinky drawstring hair. So that's why my hair is actually in one, because I'm gonna be doing a demo for you guys after I review and do the unboxing. So just a little bit of quick facts before I get into the video. The cost of the hair is $15.99, and with shipping and handling I think it comes up to $17 and a little bit of cents, so not a lot of money. It's very affordable, very cheap, but yeah, let's get right into it. So this is the box that it came in, and the name of the company is here. The color is 1B and it's afro kinky curly, and it's 12-inch. So this is how the box looks. This is how inside of the box looks. This is the hair, and of course it's common, you know, practice for these companies to actually send gifts with it, which they did. So I'm highly happy about it. They sent me these cute lashes, which I feel like I am gonna wear. It's a little bit dramatic, but they're very cute. Inside is also accessories to go with the hair, which are braiding clips, I think, in silver and gold, and they've also added a wig cap, standard wig cap, nothing special. So that's it for what's inside the box. So now for the unveiling of the hair. It feels very light, it's not heavy. It does have a smell, but it's not a bad smell, I give them that. So this is how it looks, and I'll put a picture of what the hair looks like on the website right here. And I will say it's pretty much accurate of what it looks like, but I thought it was gonna be more full. I thought it would be fuller. The color on the box says 1B, but it's giving 1. It's really dark. It's giving 1. It's not giving 1B for me. So inside, it has 2 clips here, 2 clips, and then it has the drawstring. Which you can pull and adjust to how you wanna fit it on your head. It's definitely synthetic hair. It's not human, but I'll say in person, if you want it to look human, it can. So today I'm just gonna try it on, let you guys see how it looks, and then you can tell me what you think. So I'm just gonna secure my hair, and if you guys haven't watched it yet, you should definitely go watch my previous video where I dyed my hair red. This is the best it's gonna be. My hair is really like poofy, so that's the best it's gonna be. time trying a drawstring like extension. I've never done this before. First time experience. um First time actually trying this. I have seen people wear it like this, like really poofy, but it's a little crazy for me, a little bit too crazy. So I'm just gonna style it a bit off camera and then I'll be right back. So guys, this is how it looks installed. It's really pretty. It has a natural look. You can't really tell that it's not my hair, but it's not my hair. Will I be wearing this again? I think I will. I really like it. It gives me a lot more fuller look than what I would achieve with my own hair. It's really affordable. And then I tried to accessorize a bit with what they gave me, and I like it. I feel like I could wear this like every day, like on a regular basis. I could dress it up if I wanted. If I wanted a more crazier look, I could achieve that too. So it's very versatile, it's affordable, and it's natural looking. What more can you want from a drawstring hair? And I think that's what people look for when they purchase a drawstring hair. I think that's what us ladies we aim for, is affordable, natural looking, and versatility. What more could you want? I really like it, like really like it. So guys, thanks for watching. We've come to the end of the video. We've come to the end of the video. I'll put the link in the description below to where you can purchase this here. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think in the comments. Don't be afraid to let me know whether you like it, whether you don't like it, because you know, not everything is everybody's cup of tea. So let me know. Tell me in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. But don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another video. See you in another video, guys. See you in another video. Period.